Ngibingelela wonke umuntu uzokwazi ukubukela ivideo. Namhlanje senza vertical projectile motion, grade 12 topic. Then this is question 3. As you can see, it's a vertical projectile motion. Then this we are given this. These are our questions from 3.1. This is question 3. Question 1 Lona. It's 2 marks. Then 3.2 calculate the height, it's 5 marks. Then this is our question 3.3. then it is 8 marks. We are still calculating the height. Then I'm going to upload another video which is continuation of this question. This is about sketching a graph. Then asiqaleni then masiyaqala ngithi sifunda statement. Then bathi a helicopter is ascending vertically at a constant speed. Masibona leli gama then sekuyasho ukuthi kumele ukukhumbule if i-object accelerates at a constant speed, which means the acceleration yaleyo object is 0 according to vertical projectile motion, which is the constant speed of 8 meters per second. This is the velocity. Then sebethi a parcel is dropped from the helicopter at the instant the helicopter reaches a height of 8 meters above the ground. Then a parcel by a drop as the helicopter iya phezulu. Then they drop the parcel at the same time as the helicopter reaches height of 8 meters above the ground. Then this is 8 meters. Helicopter asithi iyahamba helicopter. Then masifika la ku 8 meters then sebe dropa ini iparcel yethu ilena ke iparcel ka ngokomthetho ke isuka ku helicopter ihambayo. Helicopter ngithi iyahamba la. Then masila bayi dropa lelo khunjana le parcel. Ngokuthi le parcel angithi izoqala ithathe initial velocity of a helicopter, is helicopter yaphezulu izoqala ukunyuka kancane then must go down then kukanjena ke. Then bathi the helicopter continues to ascend vertically at the same instant constant velocity. Ukusho ukuthi le helicopter yimi ke ilokhu ihambile nje ngespeed esingashintshi so 8 meters per second. This is the constant speed then of the helicopter. The parcel reaches the maximum height of 160.07 meters. This is the parcel. This is the parcel. This is our parcel. By the way, the helicopter maybe it's somewhere. Then they say a parcel reach a maximum height of 160.07 meters. Ukusho ukuthi h plus a certain maximum height from here to here, it's a maximum height, which means h plus a certain maximum height. Let's lay a feature the parcel. This is the total height. This is the height it reaches above the ground. Then masifika la iparcel lethu seyiphelelwa ispeed iyama kancane then it go down. Then in the diagram represents the motion of a parcel from the instant it was dropped from the helicopter. Ignore the effects of air friction. Then if we ignore my effects of air friction, kusho ukuthi sosebenzisa ama equation of motion. Then it's like this. Then sebethi give a reason why the parcel is in free fall after it is dropped from the helicopter. For the parcel bathi yini ibe ku free fall emva kokuthi bayi drop lapha kule helicopter. Mawuzokhumbula ke then mangabe sese helicopter ngithi lokhu njani yethu our parcel its experience is force le should see force that is forced by the helicopter which is going upward. As helicopter in the engine kune force exerted leyo lokhunjana leyo parcel esuke iphakathi iforce eyisela phezulu yabona. Then after bayidropile ayisekho enye iforce ekuyona seyiyodwa kuphela. For free fall kumele kube kanjalo. There must be one force which is gravitational force. Then after sebeyidropile seyila somewhere kule part le nakule part uzofika la then i-force ase-acta kuyo is only gravitational force. This is the ileyo answer yethu. Then give reason why. Ungasho ukuthi only gravitational force acts on an object, on parcel. Only gravitational force acts on a parcel after it was dropped. Angithi kuthiwa bayidropile kusho ukuthi nje bavele bayidedela, then azange bayinikeze initial velocity, azange bayiphonsele phezulu noma bayiphonse phansi, bavele like bayiphushe lapho, then isizowakhe, then dropped. Then le question kanjena-ke, then ngifuna sisebenzise kanje, then soyimisa kanje. Sesiqedile ngale question 3.1. then ngidinga le diagram le for our questions ukuthi siqedele. Then mase sila this is our 3.2. 3.2 they say calculate the height h of the helicopter above the ground at the instant the parcel was dropped. Calculate the height h. This is height h above the ground from here to here. Then at the instant the parcel was dropped. Ngalesikhathi i-parcel bayidrop ila isikhathi bayidrop. Then bafuna le height. Sangithi le height le is the sum of the height h. This is h. Then okusho ukuthi ngoba sinayo yonke total distance, sazi ukuthi h plus this maximum height reach ile parcel kulingana no 160.07. Okusho ukuthi thina into esingayenza la singathola le height le from here to here ukuthi iubani ilokho njani how many meters. Then mase sina lena ke shothi sesizoyenza njani ukuze sithole lo h, sesizothi lena bese sikhipha le part le, we minus this part, then ezosala iyona height h. Yayibo ukuthi ilula kanjani. Then kodwa u5 marks. Then kanje so then so our data kuqala, this is our data for everything abasinike yona. Then there is a helicopter yethu le. Then there is this is our helicopter. Then the initial velocity, the velocity of helicopter is how many meters? The velocity of helicopter is 8 meters per second. 8 meters per second. Then acceleration, ngabe shilo ukuthi it is accelerating vertically at a constant speed. Okusho ukuthi in acceleration ewu-0. This is 0 meters per second squared. Then kukanje for the parcel. This is our parcel. Its initial velocity yipi? Angithi as bayidrop la i-parcel izoqala ifuna ukulandela i-helicopter. Shothi initial velocity yayo always kuhlezi kuyileyo i-helicopter ihamba ngayo ngalesikhathi bayidrop. Shothi ngalesikhathi bayidrop i-parcel yethu, the helicopter was moving at 8 meters per second. Okusho ukuthi nayo shothi ngoba ibiphakathi bihamba ngale speed. This is its initial velocity. Then as it go up it decreases, then starts to increase in a negative direction. Its initial velocity is 8 meters per second. Then acceleration, it is not moving at a constant speed, so acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Then kukanje. Then thina sikufunayo ukuthi from here to here we want maximum height. Which formula can we use? We have initial velocity, then we have acceleration. Then we can use this formula then can say v final squared is equal to v initial squared plus 2a change in y. Then for a final velocity, this is maximum height. Okusho ukuthi ifike ime la, kusho ukuthi initial velocity yayo la at this point is 0 because iyama then start again a velocity in a negative direction. then the final velocity is 0, then we square it. Initial is 8, then we take apart as positive. That's why our acceleration is negative, because gravitational acceleration always acts in a downward, then our initial velocity is 8, which is moving as it move ngoba ikhuphuka iya phezulu. This is initial velocity, iya phezulu, then apart we take it as positive 8 squared plus 2, then negative 9.8. This is change in y esidingayo. Then our change in y will be, then mawupunch calculator, it will be negative 8 squared divided by 2, then negative 9.8. Kumele siyithole i-positive, then this is it. It's like this. Then it's a 3.265. For which is not round off figure, let's take it as a fraction like this. Then it will be 160, over 49 meters. Noma singathi i-1 3.27 meters. 3.27 meters. Iole. Then it's the maximum height from here to here. Ile distance esuke ihambile iparcel yethu. Then ukuze sithole u-h, then sothi h is equal to, then h plus le 160 over 49, h plus le distance le displacement from here to here ilingana nobani no 160.07, because lo uba ukhande uzomathula uthula amaphathi lawo. Then is equal to 160.07. Then our age should be in meters. Then so bese sithi ke 160.07 minus 160 over 49, then minus it's thola 156.80, like kuba kanje. Then it's 156.80 meters. This is the height h. Then sesinga indicate ukuthi it's 156.80 156.80 meters. Then sekanje siyazi ukuthi from here to here it's 3.27 meters. Then our question, sesingaya kwenye question 3.3, they say calculate the height of the parcel above the ground. The height of the parcel. Where is the parcel? This is the parcel above the ground. Maybe it's the height from here to here, or height from here to here, from here to here, depending on ukuthi seyihambe yafika up the parcel, noma from here to here. Then when the distance between the parcel and the helicopter is 78.40 meters, bafuna i-height of the parcel above the ground. Mangabe i-distance phakathi kwayo i-parcel and the helicopter is 78.40. Okay. Then so yenza kanje ngalena. Then kuzoba kanje ikanje. Sibuyele la ukuthi lento abayishoyo ikanjani. Angithi i-helicopter yethu iyahamba yimi, then iloku ihambile, maybe seyila. This is our helicopter, helicopter yethu lena enhle. Then our helicopter kodwa ke ngiyenze kanje, angithi it's moving upward. Maybe uphephela kodwa nje let's make it. This is our helicopter. It is moving upward like this. Okay, sorry, let's ngiyenze ibe clear la. Then kuzoba into ekanje. Maybe our helicopter seyila. This is our helicopter. This is our helicopter. Mase ila. Then they say, or still as ayenzi lo lento engifuna ukuthi yenze. Ufuna ukuthi ithi kuba phezulu. This is our helicopter. Let's just make it like this. This is our helicopter. Then kwenzakalani. Then bathi when the height between the parcel and the helicopter is 78,40. Should the height from here and between the parcel, i-parcel angithi yethu isuke nayo, i-parcel yethu ile. Then maybe height from here to here, but ngoba nalo usuke lo mase phezulu, then i-height vele fune increase because as the helicopter ila, the height that is between them iboba as helicopter ila, helicopter is ihamba la isa phezulu, the height between them is yabo 3.27. For ukuthi ibe ngaka 78,40 shuthi lona kufuna hambe azafike la abuye andlule futhi mhlawumbe iyomthola esehla senzansi, futhi ngeke imthole sasela ngoba masila i-height kuzobe sekubani, kuzobe sekuwile number le multiply by 2 since from here to here kuyalingana. Shuthi izomthola izobe sela samuhele libhola, shuthi our parcel izobe seyimova seyiya downward. This is our parcel izobe seyiya phansi, seyiya kwi-negative direction. Then this is our helicopter eloku ihambile, then a constant speed of 8 meters per second. Then the height that is between them, bathi ubani between them is 78,40 meters. The height that is between them, this is the height that is between them. Yeah, angazi noma isabonakala. And then allow me to stretch this one. Then kukanje, they want the height of the parcel above the ground. They bafuna bona this height ile height abayifunayo ku-question yethu ingabe. Then this is our parcel, our helicopter parcel. They want the height from here to here. Then kusho ukuthini ke, angithi siyazi ukuthi lo siya downward vele, sekanje ufikile wathi wandlula in downward direction, wandlula la kulokhunjana kwi-initial starting point, sezoya futhi siya downward ahambe indlela esuke ngaka. Then kusho ukuthi ke la lesikhala lesi from here to here uhamba distance esingayazi, shuthi leyo distance ake siyethe sithi iu-d, just d, it's d meters, but uyihamba in a negative direction, shuthi izoba negative. Then mase substitute, then asiplug in izinto esinazo. This is helicopter, then velocity yakhe iwu-8 meters per second everywhere. Then acceleration is 0 or meters per second squared. Then lena yini yethu, it's a parcel. Then velocity, initial velocity is 8,0 meters per second. Then acceleration is -9,8. Askis, then into esiyaziyo ngale question le ukuthi as i-helicopter seyila and the parcel seyila seya downward, bona bafuna i-height from the ground to here. Okusho ukuthini, ngalesikhathi i-parcel ila and the helicopter ila, isikhathi sisuke sifana ngaleso sikhathi. Mangabe kusuke ku-10:30 kusuke wena la uyithamba kusuke ku-10:30 ngoba lezi zinto zenzeka at the same time. Distance between them is le, shuthi they have the same time by ngaleso sikhathi leso. Isikhathi sabo sisuke sifana, kusuke mangabe ku-9:45 nala kusuke ku-9:45 ngale ngesikhathi lo ela nalo ela. Kusho ukuthi okunye sikwaziyo yini isikhathi suke benaso ngaleso sikhathi, i-distance between them is 78,40. Shuthi the change in time for here, let's say it's t because asiyazi number, then change in time here is t. Kusho ukuthi ngoba u-8 marks le question, kumele senze ama-equations amwe ukuthi zibe nama-equation awu-2, then substitute enye ivele khona. Sekukanje sazi ukuthini, okay, from here shuthi kahle kahle mozothi uyayibhekisisa lento i-helicopter iparcel yethu from here to here ihamba le distance le ne-positive direction displacement from here to here ihambe yona le but in negative direction shuthi uma u-add le distance le displacement nale azokhiphela u0 because ngeziya phezulu izoba positive eziya downward izoba negative ngoba sikhuluma nge-displacement. It is a vector quantity. It has a magnitude and a direction because shuthi le distance from here to here and from here to here kufana nokuthi ayihambanga ayiparcel kodwa isikhathi ebesikhona senzeka la lesikhathi esimoshile ihamba le ndlela le kodwa ingayihambi yabo siya counter because nalo usuke usuke ehamba nayo ngaleso sikhathi leso siyasebenza isikhathi shuthi leso sikhathi from here to here siya count isikhathi kufana nokuthi umilene shuthi displacement ayihambile this parcel it le from here to here the displacement ewubani eud then change in y yang right then change in y is equal to d but ngoba siya downward angithi downward we take it as negative then it will be a negative d like this. Then for this one for helicopter the change in y kuzoba ubani ku-change in y parcel then sifuna i-distance from here to here for a parcel for a helicopter i-helicopter ngithi from bayidropha lento le bayidropha ngithi bayidropha is from here i-parcel isukila bathe from calculate the height of when distance between the parcel and helicopter is 78.40 khona okunyeka bakushilo la ukuthi in the diagram above represent motion of parcel from the instant it was dropped shuthi wena indawo eyicountayo ilapho khona bayidropha kuphela isikhathi bese ayidropha uyicount ukuthi isukela zakhuphuka then yonke into eyenzekayo so i-counter from this point bayidropha then ikhuphuka ilo i-helicopter kukanjalo kusho ukuthini kusho ukuthi as ila ilokhunjane this our ilokhunjane this is our parcel this is our helicopter ila iyahamba then yona ihamba i-constant velocity enkulu ke yona iloko incipha shuthi as ila i-helicopter then i-parcel maybe ila yabo ukuthi ziyashiyana lokho ihamba ngespeed esikhulu as ela shuthi i-distance yakhe iqala la from 0 ukuthi count i-distance displacement i-helicopter is from 0 to this point maybe ila i-helicopter mhlambe ilokhunjane yethu seyikuphi seyila mhlambe i-parcel siyabuya in a downward motion as seyilana ke this our parcel yebo bese ngenza i-diagram la for ukuthi uyibone kahle it can be at this point then as seyila seya downward i-parcel yethu helicopter isingaba le ngaphezulu yayibona should distance yayo kusuka kuphi kusuka from here this is our reference point from here to here iyona ke ilini i-displacement yani yalo yalo ele helicopter ehambile yebo ikanjena ke lento moyibambe la then soqedile ngayo kusho ukuthini ke wena ukuze uyithole le value yakho kumele wenze kanjani kumele wenze ukuthi singakanani isikhathi esithathwe lo ukuthi azofika la abuye ezofika la our parcel how many minutes how many seconds from here it take it ukuthi isuke ize la ibuye izofika la then mase uthole lapho sizokwazi ukuthini khona sizokuthola ngale part sizothola displacement ethile uzothola ukuthi eziseyila our parcel displacement esekuwe seyihambile from this point to maybe a certain point ngoba ngithi isuke ingakafiki lapha because isuke sazoqhubeka iyephansi this is yona displacement oyifunayo uzobona ukuthi mangabe seyila iparcel yethu i-helicopter isuke seyihambe ama-meters angakanani kuyaphezulu uzokwenza njani ke uzothola isikhathi esihambo yilo from here to here uzokwenza ngale formula then final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus a change in time final velocity from here to here mangabe seyila ilo this our parcel isuke seyino 8 meters per second but in a downward direction shuthi it will be -8 is equal to 8 initial plus -9.8 change in time. Then our change in time ilingana nobani minus 16 divided by 9,8 minus okay, then funa kubo negative la divided by minus 8 minus 8 is minus 16 minus 16, yeah, 16, then 80/49. This is the time. Esithathe le parcel ukuthi suke la ize la ibuye izofika la. Angithi le nto isihamba ngesikhathi esisodwa nalo ezihambe ekhuphuka ihambele indlela yakhe. Nale helicopter iyasukela la ikhuphuke njalo. Thina sifuna ukubona ukuthi isikhathi sesile number le suke seyihamba isikhathi distance engaka, displacement engakanani helicopter 80/49 second. Suke isikhathi kusuke sekuyilesi. Then sifuna ukubona ukuthi suke sehambe ini isikhathi esingakana ilo displacement engakanani. Then sizokwenza njani ke? Sizothi change in y is equal to a formula for displacement for initial change in time plus 1/2 a change in time squared. Uyasubstitute ufuna ukuthola ukuthi suke seyihambe displacement engakanani. Our initial velocity is 8. Then our change in time is, yeah, we don't asazi ukuthi ubani angithi. Then singathi 8t then plus 1/2 acceleration for a helicopter is 0. Then means kusho ukuthi yonke le part seyu-0. This is the displacement ehambwe ilokhu njane i-helicopter nje general for here to here. So determine ukuthi suke sezoba isikhathi, but then uyayithola specifically ukuthi seyoba. Thina sifuna mase i-80/49. Then should sothi 8 substitute our t will be 80/49. Then our change in y will be 80/49 multiplied by 8. So sola 640/49 meters. Mawuyibheka iubani yabo ukuthi incane kanjani, 13,06 ayilingani nalo. Shuthi somewhere. This is the distance, displacement phambili. So then uzobani 640/49. 640/49 meters. Then kukanje 640/49 meters from here to here. Yabo. Then kukanje. For thina ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola i-displacement angithi helicopter siyifuna from here to here. Then for i-parcel iqala la ize la ukuthi it's from here to here. Uthi i-displacement uthi eyala helicopter as move upward iqala la ikhuphuke it, then it is from here to here. Thina sesizokwenza njani? Angithi thina sesifuna i-distance kuzoba yipi? Sesifuna from here to here, kodwa sinayo angithi le sesinayo le from here. Sekushoda lo piece lona ke, then sesikwazi substitute then sisolve. Sokwenza njani? Siyazi angithi total distance ukuthi kubani. Shuthi thina masithi yabo masithi yonke lo 78,40 minus lo d ukhiphe minus kufanele ukuthi ukhiphe ukhiphe ud kusala yipi? Kusala yona ke lezifunayo. Shuthi distance change in y we helicopter ulingana nobani? Ulingana nobani? No 78,40 minus iphi number? Minus lo d. Yebo 78,40 minus d, yeah, then 78,40 minus d, 78,40 minus d, maybe 2 meters minus just 2 meters. Then i-height travelwe ile helicopter ile, then travelwe ilo. Then so uzokwenza kanjani ke? Then mase kukanje usuzothi usuzoya kuma formulas wakho ke. Then angithi thina into esifunayo yini lana? Shuthi i-height kumele sibheke i-formula ene height sinayo. This is our vertical height, this is vertical height ikhona. Then unknown 1, unknown 2, unknown 1, unknown 2. Shuthi formula eno change in time ne change in y kumele sisebenzise ukuze solve this. So change in y is equal to v initial change in time plus 1/2 a change in time squared. Then the final velocity satellite helicopter 78,40 minus d. Yeah. Okay, then it's 78,40 minus d. 78,40 minus d. Here upward, ingakho senza ibe positive. Then initial velocity is 8. The value of t asiyazi, it's just t. Then la mo substitute our a, since it's helicopter, a is 0. Then kusho ukuthi yonke lento isizoba u0 as multiply wonke my2 la numbers izobe la. Then this is our equation, or maybe sishiye kanje, this is our equation 1 for the helicopter. Then sesiya kweni kwi-parcel. For a parcel kuzokwenza njani? Still sisebenzisa formula yodwa, change in y is equal to initial velocity multiplied by change in time plus half a t squared. Then the change in y iwubani? Lo usuke sihambe uhelicopter suke sihambe le distance from here to here. Then ukuze isikhathi sabo sigcine sesilingana sesiwu-t. Lo munye usuke sihambe bani? Usuke sihambe negative d, displacement yakhe suke seyu-d from here to here, ngoba le ngapha iyakhanselana, kodwa isikhathi senza njani? Siyasebenza lesikhathi kade sifana ukuthi usimile eza la siyasebenza, lesikhathi esimoshekile la. Ingakho singeke sisebenzise yiphi velocity yakhe lena ela le negative 8, sisebenzisa lela 8 meters per second ukuze sikhawunte nalesikhathi kade simosha kungazathi ihamba imile la ngokwe vertical projectile motion. Kusho ukuthi our change in y is negative d because it is moving downward now. From here to here, it's moving downward. Then initial velocity, it is 8, not negative 8. Then our change in time iwubani? Isuke seyu-t because angithi sifuna thina la sebe la vele sekuyila between lo nalo. It is t, then plus 1/2, then a is negative 9.8 t squared. So kwenza njani-ke? Then yabo ukuthi sokwenza sesino d no t, dt. Imuphe kuzoba lula ukuthi simenze ukuthi abe substitute of the formula, simsubstitute kwe equation yodwa. Singamenza uthi angithi ngoba siyazi ukuthi t is the same for them kulesikhathi lesi. Mase hamba minus d lo munye ihambe le displacement le. Uthi uyalingana ulokho njani? T siyamazi. Then kusho ukuthi ke sokwenza kanjani? So wenza nje as uthi sesimazi singenza uthi as substitute formula simsubstitute la. Kodwa yabo ngoba kuno squared izosithatha yini isikhathi esithi ukuthi sibuye ku-answer. Asenze u-d from d here as substitute of formula si-transpose lo aye ngapha, then lo aye ngapha kuzoba u78,40 minus 8t. Then yeah, minus 8t, let's say equation 1 wethu ilo. Then this is our equation 2. Then substitute equation 1 into equation 2 angithi. So substitute d la kulesikhala lesi. Then sekufaka u-negative. When you substitute abani u-d, d must be in brackets 78, this is d, 40 minus 8t is equal to 8t sila plus minus 4,9 t squared angithi yabo. Multiply lokho kuzophuma 4,9. Then transpose 4,9 aye ngapha. 4,9 t squared is equal to 8t angithi yabo. 8t. Then negative multiplied by negative 8 kuzoba positive. Shuthi la u8 kuleli side positive. Maya ngapha uzoba bani? Negative 8t. Lona u-negative as good this side. Maya siyangale uzoba positive. Uzoba ubani? This is t, uzoba plus 78,40. Then our t ulingana nobani? Then shuthi lo le part le kufana nokuthi ayisekho this one, ikhanda u0. 0 shuthi thina singenza njani? Divide by 4,9 divided by 4,9. Mase sidivide ngaye then kuzoba 1. Then bese wenza njani? Put a square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. This is our value of t. Mele ibe positive. Then masithi 78,40 divided by 4,9. Yeah, it's 4,9. Then yabo sithola bani? Sithola u4. It's a 4 seconds. Suke seku 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Yeah, it's 4 seconds. Kusho ukuthi yeah. Lo kade sidlala masibhala masicalculate lo bengese uzosisiza then akasasizanga the distance from here to here. Yeah, ayisizanga ke then suke sihambe isikhathi esingakanani esiwu4 second. Isikhathi suke seku 4 second yen. So sikanje as lo ela this is 4 second. So seku 4 second from here this point ahamba sizofika la suke semthathe 4 second usazofika la iphathi lethu suka la ithi izofika la okuyukuthi le phathi le then helicopter isuke la from here to here isuke from here to here kuyithathe 4 second ilesikhathi ke kade sisho ukuthi siyalingana abasihambile isikhathi lesi as kule phathi abasinikeze yona suke so 4 second thina basifune le distance le from here to here the height of the parcel above the ground when the distance between the parcel and the helicopter is like this. The height of a parcel, this is our parcel above the ground, this is the ground above, then this is the height, basifuna le height. Sinevalue kathi manje then lena ilingana nobani ke sozoyibuza ukuthi sibuye la ilingana nobani le height from the parcel to the ground. This is our height angithi yayibona kusho ukuthi nisiyazi le ukuthi lengana nobani kusho ukuthi ile from here to here kusho ukuthi lo d lo asimdingi la nalokho asikudingi kusho ukuthi sizokwenza njani ile ephelele h angithi h kumele senze kanjani kulo h ukuze sithole le ngaphansi kumele sikhiphe le phathi le kulo 156,80 kumele siyiminus kusho ukuthi i-height yakhona iwubani 156.80 minus d yabo minus d siyayikhipha le phathi kulo 156,80 ngoba sikhiphelani kuyi ngoba ngithi ilo d value safoma le phathi because yabo uma uhamba kanje iseyiphathi yale height ingakho simkhipha kuyo singayisebenzisi lezi ngale then ile height abayifunayo yayibona sesishuthi thina into kumele siyithole manje is the value of d then sesi right masibuya kulama equation ethu lawo wethu the value of d this is our equation 2 this is our equation 1 this is our equation 1 sifuna ukuthola d is the same this is d lana okay ungakhetha noma kiphi usubstitute the value of t noma the value of t then uthola d le ku simple as d substitute of the formula okusho ukuthi our value of d is equal to satha le formula 78.40 minus 8t nakho minus 8t our value of t is ubani u4 this is 4 seconds 78.40